Right, hands up if you've got a supercharged car. Keep your hand up if you like more performance, and still keep your hand up if you'd like to save some money. Well, this is a fantastic product bundle from Paramount, and it's a really great way of adding horsepower, adding torque, and often adding a little bit of noise without breaking the bank. And it starts with this. This is an upper pulley for many supercharged vehicles, and this, in conjunction with an ECU remap, starts from £850 plus VAT. You can expect more power, and in some cases you can expect a little bit more noise as well. But what if that's not enough? Well, you can then do an upper pulley and a lower pulley, and that works very much like your push bike you had when you were a kid. Remember when you used to change the chainring on the front and the sprocket on the back? You change the drive ratio, that will push more air into the supercharger, raises the volumetric efficiency, increases the charge amount, and in conjunction with the ECU remap, gives you more power. It's as simple as that. But if that's still not enough, add the induction kit. That's the whole package. So more air in, a better drive rate on your supercharger, and a fancy new remap from £2,750 plus VAT, you're going to be flying. So there you go. If you like to save money, you like to go faster, and you like things that look and sound nice, go to paramount-performance.com.